In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional newsletter using Canva. Whether you're new to Canva or looking for a faster and simpler workflow, this tutorial will walk you through everything step by step. By the end, you'll be able to create a clean, stylish newsletter that stands out. Start by heading over to the Canva homepage. In the search bar, type newsletter. This instantly brings up a huge selection of professionally designed newsletter templates you can customize. Canva offers everything from simple and minimal layouts to bold, creative designs, so there's always something that matches your style or brand. Take a moment to browse through the options. Look at color schemes, structure, and layout to pick a template that fits your vision. Once you find one you like, click on it to open the preview. From there, select the option to customize the template. This takes you directly into the Canva editor where you'll begin shaping the newsletter into your own creation. Inside the editor, you can modify text, change images, rearrange sections, and fully adapt the design to your needs. Start with the text. Click on any text box, delete the placeholder text, and type in your own content. Make sure your writing is clean, engaging, and easy to read, as this is the main way you'll communicate with your audience. You can adjust the font style, size, color, spacing, and alignment to match the tone of your newsletter or your brand identity. Next, replace the images in the template. Select any image, click replace, and upload your own photos or pick from Canva's large collection of free and premium visuals. This helps personalize your newsletter and gives it a polished, cohesive look. You can also reposition images or crop them if needed. Canva also lets you add extra elements to enhance the visual interest of your newsletter. You can insert shapes, icons, lines, or decorative graphics. If you want to go further, Canva supports embedding videos, adding small illustrations, or even placing subtle design accents to create a more dynamic layout. Once everything is customized, take a moment to review the entire newsletter from top to bottom. Make sure the text flows well, the colors are consistent, and the images support your message. When you're satisfied, download your completed newsletter. You can export it as a PDF for printing or emailing, or as an image if you plan to share it digitally. That's all it takes to create a beautiful, personalized newsletter with Canva. The platform's simple tools make it easy for anyone to produce professional quality designs without needing advanced skills. Keep exploring Canva's features, experiment with new layouts, and try different creative ideas to develop your own unique style. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy designing, and I can't wait to see what you create.